Welcome to my video. So I am gonna interview a professional about their strategies in developing their interpersonal and intrapersonal skills.
In Japan, so there's most of the time that you have to we cannot avoid that. There are some co-workers that I don't like most of the time, but how I handle that situation is you have to talk each other, what is the problem, what is the cause of the problem, and then settle it immediately. You have to settle it immediately, what is his problem, what is my problem, so that you can have the most important is a proper communication, not to talk your problem, especially some communication is the best solution.
How was listening carefully help you at work?
So listening carefully is very important in specific job or specific work, because a good listener, what is this? They say that a good a good learner is a good listener. A good learner is a good listener.
Tell me about a time you had to explain something complicated to someone who didn't have much background knowledge.
Tell me about the time you had to explain something complicated to someone who didn't have much background knowledge. Okay. This is what we call acceptance of one person capability and knowledge because so you have to wait, or you have to know what is or his or her capability in that specific job, what is his or her knowledge for that specific job. So you will not immediately.
How do you define intrapersonal in the context of your work?
I would define interpersonal in the context of my work, acceptance of one person ability, and then understanding, and then you should know what is his or his capability in a specific work, and then you have to observe what is his or her knowledge about his job, and then maybe I should define interpersonal in the context of my work. You should what is this? You should accept what is his or her capability in the specific job.
So, can you share a specific instance where your self-awareness helped you navigate a difficult situation at work?
I can share a specific instance where my self-awareness helped me navigate a difficult situation at work. Like for example, we cannot avoid some stress now in a specific work. So how I can manage, or what is my best example in that is you have to relax sometimes, and then don't think too much about the some problems that will occur in my job or in my work, and then you should accept what is you should also accept what is the advantage and disadvantage of your companion. Like for example, you have a lot of customers that they will ask not too good, so you have to accept for that, and then you have also to balance the attitude and of your co-workers, something like that.
So, how do you avoid getting too stressed at work?
Okay, so this is really common, no? in managing a business, stress. So we cannot avoid stress. For example, there are some many problems that will occur in my business.
One piece of advice you would give to someone trying to improve their interpersonal and interpersonal skills?
Piece of advice that I can give to someone trying to improve their interpersonal skills: acceptance of one's weakness. That is the most important one, because you have to accept what is his or her behavior and what is my behavior, so that we can have a proper communication with each other, and don't think that you are full enough. You have to accept some ideas from other people.